if it's stuck.
So how long have you been driving, Alex? Hey?
Oh, it's what, 3 years, I think.
3 years, okay. You're not going to frighten me, are you? Yes. How'd you put the seat back?
I think it's on the side.
Oh yeah, here we go. Oh. Right, okay. Crack on.
Not very good at starting professionally,
right.
But I will. It's a bit slow.
Excellent.
There we go.
I'll tell you what, when you've driven over like this, driving on road, bloody hell, driving on road will be easy. This is harder than driving on the road. Oh. Excellent. Don't hit the tree. Actually, it's quite. It's much more interesting than driving on the road. This.
This is.
You can throw it around then, can't you?
Yeah, and you can do this. This is quite fun.
I'll tell you what, you can't walk as long. You do that too often.
I know. I only do that. That's actually. I've never actually really realised where that is.
Where what?
Where you know that bumpy bit is. That I like.
You tend to realise about a second afterwards, don't you?
Yeah, I sort of saw it, so I just started that sentence, and then I realised it was going to get a little bit bumpy.
Good job I wasn't having a sip of my beer then, was it? I should have put my seatbelt on really, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
Hang on, sit on it. I think I might put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, it's a bit old.
Hang on. Right, there we go.
They just tend to come on a bit.
Good stuff. They say you've got so many. I'm going to take this off now. I'm a bit frightened.